Ready to drive with Uber and earn on your schedule? Here's how to get started. First, you sign up through the Uber driver app or website. Enter your name, contact information, and city. Next, you will be asked to upload key documents: your valid driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, and a clear profile photo. Your vehicle must meet Uber standards, typically a clean four-door car from around 2010 or newer, with all original plates and no damage. If it's not registered in your name, you'll need an affidavit or NOC. Once you have submitted everything, Uber conducts a background and driving record check. This usually takes about 48 hours. After approval, you'll download the Uber driver app, log in, hit go, and start receiving ride requests. Now, if you don't own a qualifying car, you may be able to rent one through Uber's vehicle partners or local fleets available in many cities.